Hi, I'm Sofia and welcome to Learn Crypto's Extra Learning video series. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can use cryptocurrency to buy things, and we're going to provide some examples of where and which crypto to use. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure and verify transactions. They operate independently of central banks and governments and can be used to buy goods and services online or in some physical stores. To use cryptocurrency to buy things, you'll first need to obtain some. You can buy cryptocurrency on an exchange or from a friend, or you can earn it through mining or by accepting it as a payment for goods or services that you provide. There are many different types of cryptocurrencies available, but some of the most popular include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Once you have obtained some cryptocurrencies, you can use it to make purchases in several ways. Some merchants accept cryptocurrency as payment directly, while others require you to use a third-party service that converts your cryptocurrency to fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. To make a purchase using cryptocurrency, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. This is a digital wallet that stores your cryptocurrency and allows you to send and receive it. Some popular cryptocurrency wallets include MetaMask, Exodus, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. You can download these wallets on your desktop or mobile device, but make sure that when you download it, it's through the official sources that you can trust. Many online stores accept cryptocurrency as payment. Some popular examples include Overstock, Newegg, and Shopify. You can also use cryptocurrency to buy gift cards that can be redeemed at various stores such as Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Bitrefill is a popular platform that sells gift cards for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Another option is to use a cryptocurrency debit card. These cards allow you to spend your cryptocurrency anywhere that accepts debit or credit cards. Some popular cryptocurrency debit cards include the Binance Card, Coinbase Card, BitPay Card, and Crypto.com Visa Card. You can also use cryptocurrency to book travel on sites such as Expedia, AirBaltic, and CheapAir. And when choosing which cryptocurrency to use for a purchase, it's important to consider factors such as the transaction fees, processing times, and the level of adoption by merchants. The price of cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so it's important to keep an eye on the market and exchange rates before making a purchase. If you want to avoid spending your precious crypto on microtransactions, but you still want to enjoy the convenience of blockchain technology, or simply don't want the headaches from the ever-changing prices of cryptos, there is a type of cryptocurrency called stablecoin, which is backed by fiat money. And the value is, well, stable. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of how you can use cryptocurrency in the real world. Head to the Learn Crypto Academy and take the Getting to Know Cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide course, to learn more. What do you think? How would you use crypto? Are you excited that buying with crypto is an option? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.